Adding another card to family sharing is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add another card to family sharing. So the process is pretty simple. You just need to follow these instructions. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to open up the App Store on your Mac, and then you have to locate your name at the bottom of the sidebar. If your name isn't available, just click on sign in just because you're not signed in. So you just have to log into your account. Now after logging in, you simply have to click on this account settings. Now in the account settings of the right side of the screen. Now, if prompted, enter your Apple ID and password. You just have to, enter your Apple ID and password. Now, after doing that, there should be an option for manage payments under the Apple ID summary. So just have to go to manage payments, and in the manage payment, you just have to, change the default payment method by clicking on a sort icon next to payment method. So you just have to click on that, rearrange the payment method according to your preference. The top method will be default for family sharing purchases and subscription. Or you can add a new payment as well by tapping on add payment method and follow the on-screen instruction to add a new payment method. That's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.